Hello dear students. Now the last topic of the chapter integrals, that is very important and interesting chapter, that is properties of definite integrals. So up to now we are also studied about a technique of finding integration in definite integral, and by using second fundamental theorem of integral calculus, we can find the definite value of definite integral, just like a to b fx dx. We can find by using second fundamental theorem of integral calculus. Also, by using substitution method, we can find the value of this definite integral. Now, we will use for solving this definite integral by using property. So there are some properties of definite integrals. Just you have to know. Proof is not required, but formula is very important, very interesting. And by using that formula, you can solve definite integral. Any type of definite integral. First formula. Some properties first. A to b fx dx. A to b ft dt. That means in the process of integral, here a to b limit fx dx ft dt. Both give same value. Means x t t. Because ultimately we get the value of this integral in terms of a and b. Here also in terms of a and b. So this can be used. Proof is very simple. Let x equal to t, then fx equal to dx equal to dt. So dt x equal to t. X equal to t means limit also a to b. So okay. Second property is also important. What? A to b fx dx. There are some property, 5-6 properties. Minus b to a fx dx. Okay. If limit a to b, then if we invert limit b to a, then value of integral is with negative sign. Okay. Third, suppose this is lower limit, this is upper limit. In between there is a point, that is c belongs to a and b. There is a point c. Then we can write integral equals to what? A to c and c to d. A in between point. Dx plus fx dx. We can do like this. Okay. Fourth, a to b fx dx is equals to, we can write integral a to b f a plus b minus x dx equals dx. Same. Because this integral is equivalent to this, we can solve it. How? Suppose this is equals to t. Suppose this is equals to t. Then what? A plus b minus x equals to t means what? Differentiate minus dx equals to dt. So right side, this is equals to what? Minus dt, minus of dt, minus of dt in place of x dx minus dt. And then we can write how? F of t. in place of this t, ft, and limit if x equals to a, then a minus n cancel, t equals to b. So b to a. Similarly, b then minus sign. So if minus is minus can be cancelled out by inverting limit. So a to b and plus, and ft dt means fs dx. That is 7. So this property is very important property. This is very important property. Okay. Particular form of this. Suppose a equals to 0 to fs dx. Then a equal to 0 to a minus x dx. Very important property. Very important property. Okay. By using this property, we can solve. This is general property. It's particular type of this. 0 to a fs dx, fa minus x dx. This integral can be written like this: 0 to a fs dx, fa minus x dx. Very important property. Clear? So this is known as property 4. Okay, particular type is very important. Now, remaining property depends on here 0 to a. So this property is very important. Now, property 5, 0 to 2a, 0 to 2a fx dx equals to 2 times of 0 to a fx dx if and 0 if. Here if f 2a minus x equals to fx. Here f 2a minus x equals to minus fx. Negative value. Minus fx. This is the property. What type of property? Yes, 0 to a. Here 0 to 2a fx dx. So this is equals to 2 outside. 2 0 to a fx dx. If we get this relation. Here 2a is this. So f 2a minus x equals to fx. Must be satisfy this. If this satisfy, then we can write this is equals to 2 times of 0 to f dx. And if f2a minus x equals to minus fx, this, then we can write this is equals to 0. Clear? Property 5th. Now, property 6th. Minus a to a. Important property. Just like this. Minus a to a fx dx equals to 2 times of 0 to a fx dx. If and 0. If. Okay. F minus x equals to minus fx and f minus x equals to minus fx. This is plus. Sorry. Even function. That is even. This is even function. Even function. Fx even function. Here odd function. Okay. So very important properties are also there. This property is very important. Clear? Just like this. This is also important. So our property is what? Minus a to a fx dx. If fx is even function, then this is equals to minus a to a, 0 to a and 2 times. If even function, fx is even. If even means f minus x equals to fx. An odd function, f minus x equals to minus fx. If odd, then this is equals to 0. Here, if this satisfies, then this is equals to 0. Here, if this satisfies, then this is equal to 0. So these two properties are very useful, minus a to a or 0 to a. Okay. Now, using this property, we will solve the exercise 7.11. And there are some questions in example also. So you also do all the examples because they are also important. Now we will solve exercise 7.11. Clear? These properties are very important, so remember it and on time write this formula in your copy. Okay, so here take exercise 7.11. Clear? First question. First question is what? Question first. I is equals to 0 to pi by 2 cos square x dx. Okay. First integral 0 to pi by 2 cos square x dx. First question 7.11. By property. Just we can solve it by also by second fundamental theorem integral calculus. First of all, without limit, we can solve cos square x dx by using cos theta formula. But here we use any of the properties of different integral. Here mostly 0 to a formula are used. So we can use here. So I equals to 0 to a means pi by 2. So we can write 0 to pi by 2 cos square in place of x a minus x means 90 pi by 2 minus x dx. We can write using what? 0 to a fx dx equals to 0 to a f a minus x dx. Important formula. Clear? So using this property, property 4, we can say. So right here, very finally 0 to a fx dx equals to 0 to a f a minus x dx by this. Okay, by using this property we know. So in place of x a minus x. Now cos 90 minus theta means sin theta. So we can write 0 to pi by 2 sin square x dx. This is I equals to. So here I equals to this 1 and I equals to this 2. So adding 1 and 2 we get what? For using 0 to a formula, when we use this formula, just our target is what? First is given value is this, and then after applying this formula, we get integral like this. This is equation 2, this is equation 1, and you have to add this 2. Okay, this plus this. What? 2i. This plus this 2i. Here, integral 0 to pi by 2, 0 to pi by 2. So, same limit. So, we can take once. So, 0 to pi by 2 cos square plus sin square. Cos square x plus sin square x dx. So it can be solved very simply. 0 to pi by 2 1 dx. That is x limit 0 to pi by 2. That is applying limit pi by 2 minus 0 equals to pi by 2. That is 2i equals to what? 2i equals to pi by 2 means I equals to pi by 4. This is answer. Pi by 2, 2i, 2 to pi, 4. I go to pi by 4. That is its value. I equals to what? Pi by 4. This is our solution. Okay, 7.11. Clear? So very simple. So for using, whenever we use this formula, just we will get two integral. The first is given integral, and then after applying this formula, we get another integral. Then we can add this and we can simplify. Simple value can get and solve this integral. 2i transfer 2 to right hand side. You can get the value of I means this given integral. Okay. Similar questions. Question 2. See. Question 2 means solution 2. What? Integral root sin x upon root sin x plus root cos x dx 0 to pi by 2. Very simple integral. Okay, just like this integral, we can solve it simply by using this formula. Sin pi by 2 minus x cos, this will convert to 90 minus theta means cos sin. So denominator, after getting equation, denominator will be also sin cos same. So we can take root sin plus root cos, common cancel. So 2i equals to what? 2i equals to what will be? 0 to pi by 2, 1 dx. Solve pi by 2, 2i equals to, so I equals to what? Pi by 4. Very simple. So for this question, question 2, we can use this property. Similar question third. Third is also here. Third is also here. Power 1 by 2. Here power 3 by 2. Here power 3 by 2. Power 3 by 2. Same questions. Apply this formula. We can cancel out here 1, 1. Also its answer will be pi by 4. Just apply this formula and then adding 2i equals to here sin converted to cos, this sin, so denominator same, denominator numerator will be cancelled after adding 1 pi by 2 pi by 4. Its answer is also pi by 2. Questions 4 is also same. Here power 5, power 5, power 5. Same method. Apply this formula. This will be cos, sin, add, you can get 1. And integrate it, we can get pi by 4. So its answer is also pi by 4. Very simple. Okay. Now, question 5, minus 5 to 5 x plus 2. Okay, this is different type of questions. Okay, modulus value. Here, mod x plus 2 is integrated. For this question is what? X plus 2 minus 5 to 5. Question 5, I equals to minus 5 to 5 mod x plus 2 dx. So remember, whenever we get mod as integrand, so we have to first remove mod. How can we remove mod? We know the definition of mod is equals to what? X if x greater than or equal to 0, minus x if x is less than 0. We know this is definition of mod. Here mod x, in place of mod x we were having x plus 2 mod. If this is greater than or equal to 0, then we can write this is equals to x plus 2. If this is less than or equal to 0, then we can write x plus 2 minus if this is less than or equal to 0. So then mod will remove. Now but here limit minus 5 to 5 here. Minus 5 to 5. Now we see here that when x plus 2, that is here minus 2, suppose minus 2, this is 0 and up to 5. Between this value minus 5 to minus 2, between here, if we take any value, then that value is numerically greater than 2. That is, with minus sign, greater value is here. So this will be negative. This is negative for this value, minus 5 to minus 2 for this interval. Clear? Also, x plus 2 is greater than or equal to 0 if we take value from here, minus 2 to 5, for minus 2 to 5. Clear? So, you have to write like this for this question. Since this is less than or equal to 0 for this, and this is greater than or equal to 0 for this. Less than or equal to 0 means removing mod, we have to change with minus sign. Or less than greater than or equal to 0 means with positive sign. So by using this, first of all we have to discuss about this. After this line we will write therefore. After writing this we will write therefore I equals to can be distributed in two parts, minus 5 to minus 2, minus 2 to 5. Minus 2 is inverting point. So by using definite integral property, minus 5 to minus 2, minus 2 to 5. So minus 5 to minus 2 and minus 2 to 5. A to C, C to B by A to B fx dx equals to what? A to C and C to B fx dx plus fx dx. By using this property, we can write like this. Here minus 5 to minus 2, this is less than equal 0. So removing mod means with minus sign, x plus 2 dx with minus. And here positive, so x plus 2 dx. Now we can solve it because mod is removed. Mod is removed. So here value minus n common, x square by 2 integral plus 2x minus 5 to minus 2 plus here x square by 2 plus 2x minus 2 to 5. Now solve it. We can get answer. So minus 5 minus 2 in place of x minus 2. So square. So minus 2 square 4. Minus 2 square 4 by 2 means 2 plus in place of x minus 2. So minus 4 minus 4 minus 5 minus 5 25 by 2 minus 10x minus 10 minus 10. This is first part. Clear? Plus here also 5. So 25 by 2 plus 10 minus 2 minus square 4 by 2 2 minus 4 minus 4. So solve it. What we get? 2 minus 2 minus 4 minus 2 minus 25 by 2 minus plus 10. This plus here 25 by 2 plus 10 minus 2 minus plus 2. This. So what do you get after multiplying by minus? So minus plus 2 plus 25 by 2 minus 10 plus 25 by 2 plus 10 plus 2. So 2 cancel, 10 cancel, 25 by 2, 10 cancel, 2 cancel, 25 by 2, 25 by 2 means 25. So this answer is 25. Clear? So now let's solve it. The question 5. Question 5, answer 29. Here my plus 2 minus plus 2. So 29 is answer. 29 is answer. Okay. So 25 plus 4 29. 29 is the answer. Okay. So for in case of modulus, we have to first remove mod by deciding whether in between interval, by dividing this interval in the which interval this is less than equal 0, in which interval this is greater than equal to 0. Where is this is less than equal to 0? We will put a minus sign in front of. And where greater than equal to 0, there are only positive sign. And solve. Then we can get the result. Okay. Now question 6 is similar question. Question 6 is what? Question 6, x minus 5 2 to 8. X minus 5 2 to 8. This is question 6. For here also we see that interval 2 to 8, here 2, here 8. So here 5. Then we see that x minus 5 is x minus 5 is the less value. If x is less value than 5, then this is negative. For where? 2 to 5. 2 to 5. Because between this, if x lies, then this is less than 5, so this is negative. And also x minus 5 is greater than equal to 0 for 5 to 8, because greater value than 5. So we can remove it. How? 2 to 5 and 5 to 8. Here less than equal to 0, so minus of x minus 5, or here x minus 5, and adding this you can solve just like question 5, and you can get the value of this integral. Okay. So by using this type of technique, we have to remove modulus sign. Clear? Now question 7. 0 to 1, 1 minus x to the power n. Question 7. 0 to 1, x, 1 minus x to the power n dx. Now it can be solved very easily, because if this power x to the x minus 1 minus x to the power minus n, 1 minus x to the power n. Here 1 minus x to the power n. So by using this formula, a minus x formula, we can convert it how? 0 to a, in place of x, a minus x means 1 minus x. Here 1 minus x power n dx. So we can get like this: 0 to 1, 1 minus x, here x to the power n dx. Now it can be solved very simple. X to the power n multiply x to the power n plus 1 dx. 0 to 1, we can solve it simply. Integral of this x to the power n plus 1 upon n plus 1 minus x to the power n plus 2 upon n plus 2. Apply limit 0 to 1. We can get the value. Very simple, by using this property. Or is converted to single quantity, so it can be multiplied to this. We can get simple formula. Okay, so by using this, we can get the value 1 by n plus 1, 1 by n plus 1 minus 1 by n plus 2, and both are 0, 0. This is the answer. You can simplify it. Okay. Now question 8. 8 is important questions. This type of questions is also present in your example. So remember it. Process 2, 3 questions are very, very important. So here 8, also 16. So see here, how can we solve it? 8, question 8. Given I equals to what? 0 to pi by 4 log of 1 plus 10x dx. This is given question. Okay. 1 plus 10x dx log 0 to pi by 4. Clear? Similar question in question 16. 0 to pi log 1 plus x cos x log 1 plus cos x. 0 to pi. 0 to pi 16. Where you can also use here, we see that 0 to pi by 4 log 1 plus 10x dx is given. So now we can solve it by using this property, a minus x. So this is equals to, we can write 0 to pi by 4 by using this property, by using this log 1 plus 10 of pi by 4 minus x in place of x. Here 10a minus b. Here 10a minus b. So we can convert it 0 to pi by 4 log of what? Just see. 1 plus 10a minus 10b. 10a. 10 pi by 4 minus 10x upon 1 plus 10 pi by 4. 10a into 10b. 10x. So what do we get? 0 to pi by 4 log of dx. Very simple. Taking LCM. 1 plus, this is 1, this is 1. So 1 plus 10x. So 1 plus 10x. Taking LCM, then here 1. So 1 plus 10x minus 1 minus 10x here. This is 1 minus 10x. So 1 minus 10x is this. Now here plus sign is there. Plus sign is there. Okay, plus sign. So 1, 1, 2, 10, 10 cancel. So 2 by this. So we get 0 to pi by 4 log of 2 upon 1 plus 10x dx. From here 0 to pi by 2, 4 log a by b equals to log a minus log b. So we can write log a minus log b means what? 1 plus 10x dx. Okay. Now distribute it. Integration this, integration this. So here we get I. Given I. Okay. So this is 1. After this line, I equals to this, implies I equals to what? First integral. 0 to pi by 4 log of 2 dx minus 0 to pi by 4 log of 1 plus 10x dx. We are getting like this. Okay. Now our target is what? Finding the value of given integral, that is I. That is I. So here constant means log 2 into x 0 to pi by 4 x integral minus what? I. This is same by 1. Okay. By 1 means using this. This is equals to I. So it can be written like I. So this I transfer to left hand side. So 2I. I is transferred to here. So 2I equals to here pi by 4 minus 0 pi by 4. So pi by 4 log of 2. So from here I equals to pi by 8 log of 2. This is solution. Okay. So using this property we can solve integral. Apply the property and then see what we have get and simplify, and you can get the result. I equals to this means integral this is equals to this. Okay. So this was the solution of question 8 of exercise 7.11. So see x to root 2 minus 9, question 9. See also question 9. Okay. Question 9. Question 9 given what? 0 to 2 x root 2 minus x. 0 to 2 x root 2 minus x dx. This is I equals to question 9. Very simple. Here also we can use what? This property. Because 2 minus x, if we apply in this integral, this formula, then root under quantity under root can be simplified. How? 0 to 2 a in place of x, a minus x means 2 minus x. Here root 2 minus x dx. Here 2 cancel x, x plus root x. So what? 0 to 2 minus x root x dx. Now root x means what? X to the power 1 by 2. So you can multiply 2 x to the power 1 by 2 minus x to the power 1 by 2 and 1 3 by 2 dx. Now we can integrate it simply. x to the power n. By using formula x to the power n 2, x to the power 3 by 2 upon 3 by 2 minus x to the power 5 by 2 upon 5 by 2, 3 by 2 plus 1 by means 5 by 2 by this 0 to 2, and you can solve it. Get the value. Very simple using this property. Okay, now see 10. Question 10, 2 log sin x. See question 10. How can you solve question 10? Question 10, here given I equals to what? 0 to I equals to 0 to pi by 2 2 log sin x. 0 to pi by 2 2 log sin x minus what? Given log sin 2x dx. Log sin 2x dx. This. Very simple property. Here also we can, first of all, we have to simplify this. 2 sin x cos x. So we can get like this. Just I give hint to this question. 2 log sin x is here, minus here log of 2 sin x cos x dx. Just like this, 0 to pi by 2, 0 to pi by 2. Okay, just like this. Here log a into b, log a plus log b, log a b c, log a plus log b plus log c. So log 2, log sin, log cos. We can separate it. 2 log sin minus here minus sin. So log a plus b, log a plus log b plus log c. So all are minus. So minus log 2, minus log sin, minus log cos dx. So we can set here 2 log sin x, log sin x. So 1 time log sin x, log sin x, minus 1 time log cos x, minus 1 time log 2 dx. Now this is I equals to. So I equals to 1 is here, I equals to 2 here. So two values are, we are getting two values of I. So we can add these two. If we add these two, then we see that 2i add 2i equals to integral under same integral log sin plus I equal to this. Consider this is I. Now apply here. This is equation 1. Okay, this is equation 1. Not this one. This is equation 1. Now applying. Now also we can write here apply this formula. Now applying formula, this a minus x formula, this formula. Yeah, you can write this is a star. So now applying star means this. Apply this formula. So we can get I equals to what? Here sin 90 minus x, this will be cos, this is sin, and this is sin. So 0 to pi by 2 log of sin 90 minus that is cos x minus sin 90 minus that is log sin x minus log of 2 dx. Now add these two quantity. Okay. Now add these two quantity, we can get what? See here, adding 1 and 2, we get 2i equals to, here I 2i, here under integral logs in plus, cancel out, only we get minus 2 log 2. So 0 to pi by 2, this is equals to minus 2 log 2 dx. So our integral is nearly solved. What? This is constant. So minus 2 log 2 into x, 0 to pi by 2. So this is equals to what? Minus 2 log 2 into pi by 2. This is equals to minus log, here 2 to cancel, minus pi. So minus can be taken under inner side of log 1 by 2. So what? Pi log 1 by 2. 2i equals to. That is I equals to what? Pi by 2 log 1 by 2. This is answer. Clear? So using this property also. So we are just adjusting some what? First given integral, then apply, after applying this, then adding, then we can get right hand side as a simple value, and we can integrate, and then I equals to this. This is the value of integral. Okay. Now see question. What? 11 sin square. Question 11. I equals to minus pi by 2 to minus pi by 2 sin square x dx. Clear? So very simple it is. It can be solved. How? Minus pi by 2 to pi by 2 sin square dx. Minus a to a. Now we are using formula. This is a star. Again, no formula, minus a to a. Fx dx equals to what? 2 times of 0 to a fx dx. Fx even and 0 fx odd. Okay, this is double star formula here. Star, double star. Okay. Now using this property, square sin x square even function. Anything square even function. So this is even function. We can see here fx equals to sin square x, f minus x equals to sin of minus x square equals to minus sin x square sin square x fx. That is even. That is even. Fx even. So since fx even, so by using double star, 2 times of 0 to a means pi by 2 sin square x dx. Now we can solve it. 2 sin square cos 2x minus equals to 1 minus 2 sin square x. So sin square x equals to 1 minus cos 2x upon 1 minus cos 2x upon 2 0 to pi by 2 dx. By any method you can solve it, and this is equals to what? 2 to cancel. So 1 minus 2 cos 2x, 1 means x, cos 2x means integration of cos 2x sin 2x by 2. This is integration 0 to pi by 2. We can solve it. X means pi by 2 minus sin pi upon 2 minus 0. This is pi by 2 minus 0, pi by 2, answer is pi by 2. So question 11, answer having pi by 2. Okay. Clear? So we can solve it by using this property. Now see question 12, x 0 to pi. Here limit, see here limit, because up to now we are using a minus x formula where 90 minus something. So sin converted to cos and cos converted to sin. But here in 12 x by 1 plus sin x, 0 to pi x by 1 plus sin x dx I equals to. This is question 12. In this question 0 to pi, if here we can apply formula this, then x can be removed. How? So apply 0 to a in place of x, pi minus x upon 1 plus sin pi minus x dx. This, so this is equals to what? 0 to pi, 0 to pi, pi minus x upon 1 plus sin pi minus x equals to sin x. So 1 plus sin x dx. Now here we see that equation 2 and this is equation 1. But after applying this formula, adding, we get 2i, 1 and 2. Adding 1 and 2, we get what? 2i. Here same thing in denominator and numerator, x plus pi minus x. X is cancel pi. So pi 0 to pi 1 upon 1 plus sin x dx. Now we can solve this integral. How? 1 plus sin x. So for solving it, we can apply what? 1 minus sin x, multiplying 1 minus sin x in numerator and denominator. So 1 minus sin x in numerator and denominator 1 minus sin, 1 plus sin, 1 minus sin, 1 minus sin square, 1 minus sin square, 1 minus sin square x dx. So this is the what? 0, 0 to pi, 1 minus sin x means what? 1 minus sin x, 1 minus cos square, 1 minus sin square, cos square, 1 by cos square, sec square, minus sin by cos square, sin by cos 10, 1 by cos sec 10, sec x 10x, sec x 10x. So we know integration of this is 10x, this is sec x. So we can get the value, very simple. So what will be the value? This is 2i, this is 2i. So 2i equals to what? 10x minus sec x 0 to pi. We can solve it. 10 pi 0 minus sec pi cos pi minus 1 sin sec pi minus 1. This minus 10 0 minus sec 0. What is the value? 10 pi 0 minus 2i equals to, here pi is also here pi. So 0 minus sec pi minus 1. Clear? This minus 0 minus sec 0 cos 0 1 minus 1. So this is equals to what? 1 2 2 pi. So 2i equals to 2 pi. So I equals to pi. This is our answer. Okay. So this type of question also you can solve by applying a minus x formula. This is the important formula, applying more and more time. And whenever we get limit as a minus to plus, then we can apply this formula. Okay, this is the answer of question 12. Okay, 13 questions is what? You can see 13 question. Question 13. Here 13 is what? Sin cos 7 minus pi by 2 pi by 2 sine power 7x dx. Sine is odd function and also power is odd. So this is odd function. This is odd function. What? Odd function. You have to show odd function. That means minus a to a, odd function. Then this is equals to what? 0 is the answer. Okay. Now 14. You see. Question 14. I equals to what? 14. 14 cos power 5 x 0 to 2 pi. 0 to 2 pi cos power 5x dx. Here you apply 0 to 2a formula. 0 to 2a formula. Fx dx equals to what? 2 times of 0 to a fx dx and 0. If f 2a minus x equals to fx, and if f 2a minus x equals to minus fx. This is also another formula. We can apply this formula here. Cos is even function, power 5, even function. Okay. So, but here even odd is not applied. So 0 to 2 pi, 0 to 2a, suppose 2a is pi, then we can use this formula. Cos satisfies this. Here we see. Because cos 2a means 2 pi minus x equals to what? Cos x power 5. That is what? Fx. F 2 pi minus x equals to this. This first condition satisfied. So its value is by using. So you have to write property that by using that property, this equals to what? 2 0 to pi 0 to a pi a cos to the power 5x dx. Clear? Now we can solve it. How? 2 cos to the 5x a minus x formula by using a minus x formula. This here. What? Cos pi minus x 0 to pi by 2 cos pi minus x power 5 dx by using this formula. So what will be the value by using this star by a star? Cos pi minus x means minus cos pi minus x. Cos pi minus x means second quadrant. Cos is negative. So minus cos x. A minus power 5. So minus cos x. So minus 2 integral of 0 to pi by 2 cos power 5x dx. So here equation 1 is this. Equation 2 is this. Adding these two. Adding these two. I plus I. 1 and 2 adding. I plus I. 2i equals to this and this are same but plus and minus. So adding 1 and 2, 2i is equals to 0. Implies I equals to 0. So 0 is the answer. Now as also question C 15. 15 0 to pi by 2 you can also set in this question where sin x minus cos x 1 plus sin x cos x. So 0 to pi by 2. So you can use this formula a minus x. In place of sin and in place of cos, you will get cos. Yes, in place of sin, get cos, and in place of cos, get sin. And then adding those two. So 2i equals to what will be the here? 2i equals to, then what will be on the right hand side? Integral 0 upon something dx. So 2i equals to what? 0. So I equals to what? 0. So also 15, answer of 15 is 0. Clear? Very simple by using this property. So question 15 is also solved. Now question 16, 0 to pi log 1 plus cos h dx. Just solve it as a similar pattern. Question 8. Clear? Now see question 17. 16 you have to do in your copy just like question 8 and see one of the questions from example, then you can solve it. So now I will give 2-3 questions for your attendance. Okay. So here also see 17. Question 17, you have to apply a minus x formula. You can solve it. Okay, question 18, 0 to 4 x minus 1 dx. So remove mod x minus 1. So by just like 5th and 6th questions, you can do it. Okay. So question 19. 19, how can you solve 19? Here 0 to a fs gx dx equals to 2 times of this if f and g are functions like this. So just one time apply. One time apply in this question. Integral of this is equals to this. We have to show this integral. So take left hand integral. Take left hand integral for 19. For 19. What you will do? What? Question 19. So let integral 0 to a fx gx dx. Now use a minus x property. So 0 to a fx minus a g x minus a dx. Now use this is I. Now use given relation where fx equal to fa minus x. So in place of here you can write fx. So integral of this fx is this. Now add these two. So 2I equals to 0 to a fx can be taken common, and in bracket you can get gx plus gx minus x dx, and this is also given here. This is also given. What? 4. This 4. So we will get 4. So 4 fx dx. Here 2I equals to this. So I equals to 0 to a fx dx 2 times. So put. Simple. 20. In the question 20, see objective type questions. Here 3 parts are there. 4 parts. 4 parts. 4 parts means question what? 20. First part is minus pi by 2 to pi by 2 minus a to a, this. First part x cube. Second part x cos x. Third part 10 power 5x and plus 1 dx. This is. So we see here 4 parts. First part x cube, integral x cube, odd. Second part x cos x even, this is x, odd. Odd into even, odd. This is odd. 10 to the power 5x, odd. So this is also odd. So these first 3 integral are 0 plus 0 plus 0, and last integral minus pi to pi, pi by 2 to pi by 2, 1 dx. So this is equals to what? X minus pi by 2 to pi by 2. So minus pi by 2 minus pi by 2. So what? 2 pi by 2 means pi. So pi is the answer. What? C. Option C is right. Very simple. Question 21. Applying 21. You can see also here. Question 21. Question 21 is what? I equals to 0 to pi by 2. Log of 4 plus 3 sin x. 4 plus 3 sin x upon 4 plus 3 cos x dx. So just 0 to a. So apply this formula. You will get here cos x, here sin x. Add 2I equals to this plus this, here sin, here cos. So log a plus log b. So log a into b. So log a into b. So invertible both are. So cancel out log 1. Log 1 0. So integral 0. 0. Integral 0. Then equal to 0. 2I equals to 0. Now I equals to 0. So 0 is the answer. So right answer is C. C is right answer. Okay, very simple. So by using property of definite integral, you can solve definite integration. You can find the value of definite integral. Okay. Now questions for your attendance. Clear? So there are only 3 questions. So question first. Okay. Evaluate integral 0 to pi by 2 log sin x dx. 0 to pi by 2 log sin x dx. Log sin x dx. Okay. Second, 0 to pi log 1 plus cos x dx. And third, evaluate 0 to pi log 1 plus cos x dx. Log 1 plus cos x dx 0 to pi and 0 to pi by 2. First question, 0 to pi by 2. 0 to pi by 2 log sin x dx. And question this, 0 to pi x tan x upon x tan x upon sec x plus tan x dx. This is for your attendance. Okay. So you can solve it. First apply a minus x formula, property 4. Okay. Then you can get in between sin 2x. Set its formula as sin will be converted to cos. So log sin plus log s, log sin into cos. So plus log 2 minus log 2, then log 2 sin x cos x, log sin 2x. Use. Then put 2x equals to t. And first integral solve and second integral will be minus I, transfer to left hand side, and then you can get the value. Okay. Here 0 to pi. Also apply a minus x formula. Clear? So log 1 plus cos pi minus x equals to what? Minus cos x. So log 1 plus cos x and one time of log 1 minus cos x. So log 1 minus cos into 1 plus cos, log 1 minus cos square. Log 1 minus cos square means log sin square. So log sin square means 2 log sin x dx. 2 log sin x dx. Then you can apply log sin x dx. So this question is also involved in these questions. So this is long question, 6 marks question. So use a minus x property and then also apply for integration of log sin x dx for definite integral. Then you can get result. Long question you have to do. Similar here, a minus x, use property a minus x sin pi minus x equals to also, 10 pi minus x will be also 10x. So here x may be removed. So pi will be outside after adding by applying a minus x formula. Then you can solve it. So these 3 questions are for your attendance. So do it in your copy and reply me to for your attendance today. Okay.